Come with me and let's take a look at 683 East Cherry Hills Way in Cottonwood, Arizona. This is one of my favorite properties for a number of reasons, but that number one reason is the view. The view out the front, amazing. Now, it's brand new, which means there's not a heck of a lot to worry about for a while with maintenance. Roof, HVAC, hot water heater, appliances, everything is brand new. Nice fixtures and features throughout. I love a tile backsplash. It just makes the kitchen look so nice and clean and stylish. That's a pantry. There is actually quite a bit of closet space in this house. Nice covered patio. The floor is ceramic tile, by the way. I know it would look that plank is ceramic tile, so nice and sturdy. And this is bedroom 1. And I like all the closets here have organizers in them. It's super handy. And again, with the tile work here, you can see on the shower, it's tiled all the way up to the ceiling. Love that extra touch. Bedroom 2. Fantastic view out the window here. Look at that. And again, really spacious closets. Let's take a look at the primary bedroom. It's totally separate from the other 2 rooms, nice and private. I love this floor plan. It's really popular. Here's the laundry room. And that's the door to the garage. Primary bedroom, very spacious, lots of room, and an enormous closet. And I really like all the fixtures here, what they've done with the shower. Superb tile work and a very stylish shower door. So again, brand new construction. The twin house for this is on Desert Jewel. Same floor plan, a little different fixtures and finishes. So check them both out and let me know which one you like better. Thanks for following.